What is up, guys? Ty with you, TNT Balls, and do we have a banger for you? This right here is a female up for grabs. You know what to do. Hit me up on Instagram, TNT Balls, Facebook, Ty Lewis, or you can hit me up, Tydell 1356. But what we have here is a female orange dream fire pastel, and that none other than that good old yellow belly. She's a looker. She just ate, guys. We'll be bumping that prey size up next meal. But man, just look at that. Look at that coloration coming in, guys. But like I said, guys, she is up for a grab, so hit me up, let me know. Till the next one, Todd with TNT Balls. We love you. We'll see you later. Peace.